Hello students, from our lesson number 4 adjectives. In previous video we learned about antonyms and synonyms. Now the next is similes. Similes are the words that describe something by using as or like. Example, similes वो words होते हैं जो describe करते हैं किसी चीज़ को as के जैसे, मतलब इसके जैसा या like. So example is he is as strong as an ox. Here as strong as he is compared with ox by his strong strengthen. He is like an ox. So students, in E question, fill in appropriate simile in each of the given blank. First one is she weighs just 20 kilos. She is as light as feather. I cannot pick this bag. It is as heavy as lead. He has a lot of work. He is as busy as bee. The air conditioner in my room is not working. It is as hot as furnace. This dress is made of satin. It is as smooth as silk. She is caring woman. She is as gentle as a dove. He gives alms to the poor every day. He is as rich as a king. This apple is difficult to bite. It is as hard as a rock. So students, you with this help of these box, you have to fill all the blanks. Now students, the other adjectives. Like an adjective that tells us how many or in what order a person or thing stands is called an adjective of number. Like fifth, 2. Then an adjective that tells us how much as thing stand is called the adjective of quantity. Here adjective of number which tells us how many, and adjective of quantity tells us how much. Example, much, many. Now an adjective that shows us that something belongs to a person or a thing is called a possessive adjective. Like whose. The question of answer is whose. Example, my, your, her, his, their, our. Fourth, an adjective which asks a question is called an interrogative adjective. जिस adjective में question पूछा जाता है वो interrogative होते हैं. Examples होते हैं which, what, whose. An adjective that points out a person or a thing is called a demonstrative adjective. जब demonstrative adjective वो होता है जिसमें adjective है वो किसी person या thing को point out करता है. Example है this, these, that, those. यहाँ पर उसका question बनता है which से. Next is an adjective that refers to each one of a number. In the case of singular noun is called distributive adjective. Example, each or either. तो distributive adjective वो होता है जिसमें जो adjective वो refer करता है किसी भी singular noun को, या each one के लिए जब होता है तो उसे हम distributive adjective कहते हैं. Here in F exercise, tick the correct option. Write the type of adjective that has been used to complete each sentence is the given blanks. Here, this and them. We choose from these words, this and them. Box is mine. So this box is mine. This one is demonstrative adjective. Are that those your dogs? From that or those we choose the word. So here the helping verb is plural, so we use those. Are those your dogs? This is also a demonstrative adjective. Are these their and their book? So here the things belong to someone, we use that their. And this one is a possessive adjective. Next, have you seen his or his pen? So the correct is his, and this is also a possessive adjective. So students, with the help of explanation, you have to find answers here and write the type of adjective.